Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today I'm going to show you a super delicious dessert recipe which is Pistachio Kunafa Tiramisu. Classic tiramisu with a twist. Viral Dubai chocolate bar inspired. It has a soft ladyfinger and pistachio cream base, a sweet and crunchy pistachio kunafa spread and a smooth creamy chocolate ganache on top. This pistachio tiramisu has all the creamy, delicious flavor of tiramisu with a nutty pistachio twist. For this recipe, I am using Ganache or shredded phyllo dough, half of the packet, milk chocolate, mascarpone cheese, pistachio cream, ladyfingers, heavy whipping cream, chopped pistachios, warm milk, coconut oil 1 teaspoon and 3 tablespoons of butter. Chop the phyllo dough into small pieces using knife or you can use a food processor. I am using half of the packet for this recipe. Heat a pan. On medium heat, add the butter. Once it starts melting, you can add the shredded phyllo dough. And you can toast on low to medium heat for about 10 minutes until it's golden and crispy. Let this cool for some time and then you can combine with pistachio butter and chopped pistachios and tahini to form a crunchy filling. It gives the tiramisu an amazing flavor but also such a good texture. It's just so crispy but also creamy at the same time. For the cream cheese layer, first we are going to beat the heavy cream and powdered sugar on medium speed until stiff peak appears. Once it's done, you can transfer to a bowl and set aside. Add the softened mascarpone cheese. Add 3 tablespoons of pistachio butter and you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat until it gets smooth. Finally, you can add in the whipped heavy cream and whip it to stiff peaks for a creamy, fluffy texture. Now we are going to layer the pan. First we are going to dip the ladyfinger in the warm milk and layer them at the bottom of your tray. You can spread half of the pistachio mascarpone cream over the ladyfingers. Now you can add a second layer of dipped ladyfingers and top with the remaining cream. Now you can add our kunafa layer on top of the cream layer. You can level with a spatula and chill the tiramisu in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight to allow the flavors and layers to set. Now we are going to make the chocolate ganache. For this, we need to heat the double cream and chocolate in a bowl or saucepan. You can do this in the microwave or stove top. Mix it until all the chocolate is completely melted and runny. After 4 hours of refrigeration, you can take out the tiramisu from the refrigerator and pour this on top of the kunafa layer. Finally, you can garnish with some chopped pistachios and allow to sit in the refrigerator. This pistachio tiramisu has all the creamy, delicious flavor of tiramisu with a nutty pistachio twist. If you are a fan of classic tiramisu, you want to take your dessert to the next level, you must try this pistachio tiramisu at home. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you like this video. I will see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.